ഹായ് ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഏവർക്കും നഴ്സിംഗ് MCQ ചാനലിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു അധ്യായത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇമ്മ്യൂണൈസേഷൻ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഈ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. ഫോർ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് മീസൽസ്, immunization coverage should be at least option A 80%, option B 85%, option C 96%, option D 100%. The right answer is option B 85%. Question number 2. Period of maximum infectivity in mumps is during option A incubation period, option B onset of swelling, option C after swelling appears, option D prodromal period. The right answer is option A incubation period. Question number 3. Major epidemics of influenza A occur at intervals of option A 1 year, option B 2 to 3 years, option C 10 to 15 years, option D 20 to 25 years. Right answer is option B 2 to 3 years. Question number 4. The most common source of infection for diphtheria is a option A case, option B subclinical case, option C carrier, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 5. Schick test is done in option A meningitis, option B diphtheria, option C pertussis, option D poliomyelitis. The right answer is option A meningitis. Question number 6. Adjuvant present in DPT vaccine is option A aluminum phosphate, option B aluminum hydroxide, option C zinc phosphate, option D magnesium phosphate. The right answer is option C zinc phosphate. Question number 7. Recommended site of administration of DPT in infants is option A gluteal, option B deltoid, option C lateral aspect of thigh, option D forearm. The right answer is option C lateral aspect of thigh. Question number 8. The most severe complication following DPT are due to dash component. Option A diphtheria, option B pertussis, option C tetanus, option D adjuvant. The right answer is option D adjuvant. Question number 9. The vaccine usually given to pilgrims to the Middle East is option A DPT, option B influenza, option C yellow fever, option D meningitis. The right answer is option C yellow fever. Question number 10. Best index to estimate caseload of TB in a community is option A incidence of infection, option B prevalence of infection, option C incidence of disease, option D prevalence of disease. The right answer is option C incidence of disease. Question number 11. Prevalence of TB infection in a community is estimated by option A tuberculin test, option B sputum microscopy, option C culture, option D chest x-ray. Right answer is option A tuberculin test. Question number 12. The amount of PPD used in Mantox test in India is Option A 1 TU. Option B 5 TU. Option C 25 TU. Option D 250 TU. The right answer is option A 1 TU. Question number 13. Result of Mantoux test is read after option A 6 hours, option B 24 hours, option C 48 hours, option D 72 hours. The right answer is option C 48 hours. Question number 14. Present day BCG vaccine is supplied as option A liquid vaccine, option B freeze dried vaccine, option C both, option D none of the above. The right answer is option B freeze dried vaccine. Question number 15. The diluent used for reconstituting BCG vaccine is option A normal saline, option B distilled water, option D dextrose, option C none of the above. The right answer is option A normal saline. Question number 16. Reconstituted BCG vaccine should be used within option A 3 hours, option B 6 hours, option C 18 hours, option D 24 hours. The right answer is option B 6 hours. Question number 17. The age of BCG vaccination is recommended at option A birth or at 6th week, option B only 6th week, option C 6 to 8 weeks, option D within 1 year. The right answer is option A birth or at 6th week. Question number 18. At the village level, sputum for AFB is collected and fixed by option A Anganwadi worker, option B village health guide, option C health worker male, option D health worker female. The right answer is option A Anganwadi worker. Question number 19. Source of most polio infections are option A clinical cases, option B subclinical cases, option C carrier, option D both B and C. The right answer is option C carrier. Question number 20. Risk factors for development of paralytic polio include option A IM injections, option B tonsillectomy, option C DPT, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel Nursing MCQ.